Covenant, a promise. The word covenant means a promise. I always think of the Last Supper, where Jesus held up his glass of wine to the disciples and stated that this wine represents the blood of the new covenant, and so described a promise between God and man. If that example is a little too dramatic, marriage is a covenant between two people. It is a promise between them. Citizenship might also be a good example of a covenant. It is a promise the citizen makes to the country. Organized society is dependent on covenants or promises, which are made between people or entities. A covenant is a promise. Multiple choice question. Covenant. A promise. B, a religious conflict with the law. C, market value minus loan value. D, a broken commitment. Covenant is A promise.